Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Color Shift and today we are hopping back into the ThePlanetCrafter. While editing my videos, I saw some areas where I was an absolute dipshit. So if you recall, I said a couple of times we cannot explore Rex yet because we don't have a torch. So, first thing we're going to do is craft our torch and go explore Wreck. Silicone, magnesium, magnesium. Silicone. Oh, that's convenient. Oh, look at that. We have a fucking torch. Yeah. Once we've done that, we will come back and I will do some work in the base. But until then, Wrecks are the main game. So we have a food. I'm going to do another oxygen. We need water. I'm just going to do 2. Shit goes so quickly. I wonder if I have any more cobalt. If I don't. That's fine. Doesn't seem like I do. Got 1. Okay. So we have reached rain stage in the previous episode. And that's where we left it off. Oxygen is still quite lame. The other 2 are rocking it. Anyway. Let's hop to that wreck. Now, one thing I like to do, going to grab one iron because that's what I have. I'll try and get some on the way, and I will show you why. Should we go to the closest wreck? Right there. I think that's a very large one, but it's okay. I didn't even think about an oxygen house. Oh no. I forgot about an oxygen house. Do you think we can collect enough resources? I think so. Silicon, titanium, another titanium. Okay, let's just check it out. So we'll go to the entrance. Up, up, up. Where the Fook is the entrance. Oh, secret chest. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. But we don't have the space for that. We'll just we'll remember. Sure. I'll remember that that's there. Where the Fook is the entrance. Shit sticks. Well, this I didn't bargain on. Running around like a lunatic. Aha! Okay, so I'm gonna build my oxygen hub right here. And inside, I'm going to build a locker. Because you collect so much stuff. It is amazing and annoying. And all of that at the same time. So what you can do is you can collect everything in here. And then be a little bit picky about what you want to drag back to base. And you'll also maybe remember what is in here if you need it. So if I collect a bunch of uranium, I can leave it here and come back for it when I need it. Let's go. Oh. Oh, come on. Let me in. And now my trick. Oh, what a horrendous torch. Anyway, my trick, because I get horrifically lost in these things, is to stick to the left. Always stick to the left. Just stick to the left. Okay, so in the left there's a down. We will go down. Keep an eye out for blah blah blueprints. Yeah, I bet you this is a blueprint. Yes. Eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. Let's have that water. And I'm just gonna go left from here. In one of these wrecks there is a hidden wall. And I'll be damned if I know which one it is. So I'm just gonna go with the flow. Keep my whatchamacallit. I keep on forgetting the name. Deconstruction thing on. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Thank you. A nugget. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then I will show you another trick that I have. Okay, so we have been here, right? Okay, that's a teeny tiny little corridor. Doesn't matter. I'll show you just now. Ooh. Golden seed. Oh, shit. This has been epic. Okay, inventory is already full. Okay, so now to get out, we know, oh shit, okay, to follow the right. Sure, we just came in there. Yeah. And we follow right, although that's easy enough because we're right there. And now we just go to our little oxygen house. Do not deconstruct your oxygen house. And dump it all in there. Take water, take food, take the 2 oxygen. And I'm going to take the iron with me. Left. Down. Straight. Try not to miss anything. Left was that little room. This is a horrible torch. I don't think I need any more seeds. Take 1 squash seed. Sorry if I'm mumbling. I have got a gruesome headache. But I wanted to record, so here we are. Oh, I only realized that I was mumbling a minute ago. Anyway, enough waffling. So I'm going to go left. Nothing here. Let me through. No. Nope. Ha ha ha. Blueprints. Oh, new clothes. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, okay. That's a bit weird. I've never seen that, but okay. Let's carry on. I'll just take the green bean and we'll go back. Do. Okay. So now we have a whole bunch of stuff there. I wonder if I should take some of this stuff back quickly, do our chips. Get some of this going for our oxygen. And another bean. I think that's a damn good idea. I'm going to do that. So, I will see you there at base. Oh, wait. Drop that off. Tick, tick. I will see you at the base. Let's see what we've unlocked. Mining speed. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. And, oh, 2-2. Okay, okay. Look how quickly this is going. Oh, kind of cool. Now, what do we want to do? The funny thing is, what I want to do, I can't because I don't have iron. Ah, stupid. Okay, well then it will have to wait. You know, all that iron I left behind. Oh! Rain! Rain! Our first rain. Oh, that is... Oh! Look at this. Oh, that's so, so delightful. That is so beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. We are making some super progress. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, hallelujah. I do believe it is time to get some decoration going. Don't know how I'm going to work it out with the oddness there, but we'll figure it out. Yay. Okay. Let's see if we have what we need. Water, silicone, magnesium, aluminium. Like I'm going to remember all that. Water. What I can do... Oh! Grass spreader. Oh, this is turning out to be a fantastic episode. Okay, I need those. And a golden seed. Definitely a golden seed. And another one. And another one. Right, let's see how we've done. Holy crap. It went from 20 to 181. Holy crap. That is fucking brilliant. Awesome. Very happy about that. Ooh. Okay, let's drop shit off. Ooh. Give me my water back. Do. Do. Take that, that. And I can show you why I want the iron. Back to the wreck. Do I have food? No. Back to the wreck. Take 2. Oh, pinning. Oh, that is delightful. Oh, pinning. That is so amazing because, you know, when you can't remember how to do anything, how to craft anything because you got a shit memory. That's amazing. Everything is amazing. Okay, so let's see if I can show you. I think I can. I think I can. Anyway, I'll stop that now. You gonna see something? Wasn't this one? Okay, so we go left. And we go left, just checking that I didn't miss anything. Sometimes they hide blueprints in here. We go left into that little room. We go left. That's it. Nothing there. No secret walls. We go left. We've been here. Right. So we know we've been here. Right? We can go down there. Right. So what we do, what I do, is I drop a piece of iron here. And that tells me I have been here. And I don't need to go back there. Okay, so we've actually covered the entirety of upstairs. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll remember that, but you get my point. Oh, no. Okay. So now, let's keep an eye out for rockets. Now we go the other way. What a waste of an oxygen capsule. Okay, so we don't actually have to drop anything off. Now we're going to go right and still stick to the left. Ooh. Can't deconstruct those yet. What's here? Oh, here's a little room. Oh. Oh. Okay. I know what that is. And no. There's nothing here. There's a seed. I see a seed. What is this? Just a plain old seed. Thank you. Oh, and another plain old seed. Lurma seed is always good to pick up. Okay, where are we going? This way. Or am I coming back to where we came from? See, I'm already getting lost. That sounds like a storm. Yeah, we came in there. Okay. Let's go. There's another climb thing. Come on. Don't really want those. Not those either. There's nothing else here. I'm gonna drop a little piece of iron. And it's gonna roll down the hill instead. Let's see. Stay, stay. Thank you. Thank you. This way. Oh. Ooh. Wow. I want plant growers like that too. I want veggie tubes that do this. That's so cool. Let's put the deconstruction thingy on. There's nothing here. I'm going to drop an iron. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. That's a sign. Go back. New message received. Convict blah blah. Don't know why I chose this. Death would have been more pleasant. Would have been more pleasant than this hell. Sure. Dude, I certainly can't help you. I'm hanging on by a thread myself. Okay. That's full. Just do that. Take your water, take your food. Shit, I've run out of ice. Oh shit. Have I really? You know what I do need to do? How to craft. I can craft a frickin' jetpack. Oh. No, I'm sure I have one red rod. Oh no, I used it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, just enough. An angle? I actually kind of like that. And an alloy. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Ah, I'm so happy. Ah, I'm so happy. Look at that. Look, look, look. Oh, I'm so happy. We have a jetpack. Oh, wow. That is just epicness. I'm so thrilled. I'll stop saying that now, but I really am. I need ice for water. Shit. Shit. I'm gonna quickly look for ice. I found some ice. Who would I thank? By the big ice caps. I should have done my mining chip. But I didn't, so. Yes. Yes, yes. There, done. I still don't have a beacon. I still don't have a beacon. I'm getting more used to where I am, but I still don't have a beacon. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Mm. Okay, let's we have some water, we have lots of ice. Let's go exploring. Wait a second, wait a second. I don't think I'm going to go exploring right now. I don't want to miss this. So I'm just going to hang around for a second and I'll see you when this is ready to move over to the next stage. I forgot we can build the biodome. Ha! Ha ha ha. Oh dear. Titanium, titanium, lurma seed. Nope. Nope. 96. 97. 98. 99. I was a little eager there. 98.6. 99.7. 99.8. 0.9. And we're into the liquid water state. Oh! I never have to care about ice again. This is an epic episode. I have stuff to do which I want to do before I continue with the shipwrecking thingam. Like get the exoskeleton, the mining chip, the something else which requires titanium, which I do not have. And it's pretty scarce actually. This intense level is no freaking joke. So I'm gonna go on the hunt quickly for some titanium. I will see you back at the base. And I'm a dipshit. I have an ore extractor. All these things that I haven't built. You know what I did not notice? Is that the goal to reach 175,000 whatever terraformation that was one of the objectives at the top left of the screen? I never noticed that disappear. Huh. Wrong one. Ah, we are getting so far now. It's the oxygen. Oh, wrong one. Yayness. Okay. I feel the love of everything holy. And now I can't remember what that was. My apologies, people. Guess who's going on a magnesium hunt? And yes, you saw me go to the wrong one for the third time. Ah, beautiful. Okay, okay. Mining chip. Oh, magnesium. Oh, I'll be back. And that is T1. And that is T2. Oof, for pinning we need osmium. That's very far away. But we have it. Yay, we can mine a teeny tiny bit faster now. Okay, so put shit away. Boop, boop, boop. Let's go back. And before I continue on, I'm going to pause to go to have a potty break and make a cup of coffee. And not that you needed to know that, but I decided to share anyway, because sharing is caring. It is me, I'm back. Yes, who else would it be? But I decided to tell you, it is me, I'm back. Okay, let's do this. It's raining again. Blah, 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 don't remember the lyrics. All I remember is it's raining again. Again. I glitched. Anyway, I will not do that to you again. Do 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 do. Right. Now I don't remember which way we went, but anyway. We did see these. Oh, did we go this way? Oh, there's the thing. See? It worked. Okay. Lapsy daisy. Okay, so here is the fusion generator. Now, when I first played this game, I cannot tell you how long it took me to figure out what the hell goes in there. I'm actually just not going to say because it's embarrassing. So I'm hoping that there's someone else out there that made the same mistake as me. And just made complete idiots of themselves. That would be great. Feel free to let me know. I'd love it if you let me know. Just comment and say, yes, I was a dipshit too. Anything else? Anything else? We will have to come back here anyway once we can do a fusion generator, fusion cell thingamaj. You see, that's what this is. There is a piece of iron back there behind this door. When I put a fusion thingam in the fusion thingam, this door will open and give us prizes. And that is this. I think that is pretty much this wreck done. Right, so I unstupided and crafted a torch for us to get some goodies at the wreck. I feel pretty good about that. I feel pretty stupid about that, but anyway. Look at this beautiful rain. Look, it's beautiful. No, it's not. No, my oxygen's perfect. Don't know what you're talking about. My water's perfect. Don't know what you're talking about. I want to go explore something quickly. I want to leave this here. Pretty blue sky. Pretty blue planet. Hey, is that the red one? Holy shit, it is. Maybe it's only red at night. Oh. Oh. Oh, I forgot I've been here. This is convenient. And look at these resources. Holy hell. Oh, it's raining. It's raining again. I won't sing this time again. Don't worry. But I have a problem because I know a secret. But that requires my inventory to be empty. Oh, look at this beautiful rain. Wow. Wait. Was that a... No, it wasn't. Oh my god, is that a golden chest? Oh, it is. Oh! Okay, you can go there, you can come to me. You can go there, we have another dildo. You can go there, you can come to me. You can go there, you can come to me. You can go there, you can come to me. You can go there, you can come to me. Okay, so I don't know exactly where it is. This little secret entrance.
One eternity later.
Secret wall? Oh, wait, isn't it? I'm sure it looks like this. Oh, oh, ha ha! I found it. I found it. Hello, dead body. I'm so sorry you got crushed by a boulder inside a cave. I have 1 oxygen left. Lovely. You sent me here to die. You knew it was impossible. You don't even care. All you care about is profit and colonization. Isn't that everyone? Whoever thought this was a good idea should go to hell. I think they did. A pardon was never part of the plan. Be cursed, Sentinel Corps. Yes, be cursed. Oh my god. Uh, uh, Boo did not expect that. Huh. I don't have oxygen for this. I need that. I'm gonna take that. I need these. Okay. And you can go back, and you. Um, 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 um. You can go back. You can stay. You know what? I was gonna eat my green bean. I can't. I can't even sacrifice my green bean. Okay, I'll take 2 loma seeds for that. And those can go, and I will take that. Oh, hope I remember. I hope I remember. Shoot. Wait. I hope I remember that this is here and I come back for it. And I'm not hopeful because you know my brain. Right. Let's. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, shit. Where was my little house? No, house, where are you? I will not die. I will not do it. You will not let it happen. Nope. Hello. Shoo. Okay, we can do it. Let's go. Okay, so let's... Oh, that is so gorgeous. Compass? Yeah, for now. I don't need it because yeah, I'm useless with it. But yeah. Data agility. That's why I took the fabric. Yes. For now, me. But it is very cool a little bit later. Recycling machine. Very underestimated machine, that. Right, let's look at the agility. Wrong one. Agility boots. Oh my god, all I need is 1 alloy and we can do it. Nope. 1 alloy. Yes, I nearly went to the wrong one again. I have issues. We're gonna be even faster. It's raining again. Yes, I'm just having a fly around in the rain. Right. I just want to show you the little bit of work I did on in the base quickly. I'm still working on sorting this stuff out, but we have these lockers. I have 2 new lockers. This one actually is true to its name. It is only uranium. This one is plants. So, and I moved our indoor veggie tubes here because I love having indoor veggie tubes. Even if they're better outside, I want them indoors, although I will move the golden plants outside. And down here we have some food. I'll build another one. And I'll make it look good. This can be our little food production room. Yeah. So it's a little bit neater, a little bit better. I'm quite happy with it. And of course, you saw a little bit of stairs and our veggie tubes out here looking a little bit better. So I'm quite keen to continue, but this episode is probably long enough by now. So we finished the wreck. Let's see. We ticked off a wreck. We found the secret. We found another golden chest. We worked on our base. We went up to a new stage. And we got some upgrades, personal upgrades being our jetpack, agility boots, and mining speed. I think that's pretty good progress for one episode. Next, oh, we can't do that because of the osmium. Oh, this, I forgot about this. Should we quickly build one of those? Yes. Let's quickly do water, magnesium. And I reckon we do it right here. We can go out with a bang of grass. Please don't kill the power. Oh, thank you. Oh, yay. So the next episode, we will see some grass in this barren desert. We will see some grass, some life. That will be amazing. As per usual, we end the episode staring at the terraformation stage screen. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please would you consider subscribing? Please would you consider liking the video? It's quite difficult as a new YouTuber to get some progress. So I'd really love it if you would help out. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.